Let's see how to use speak screen on iPhone. So just go to settings and scroll up and find accessibility, tap on it. And now what you will find spoken content, tap on it and just turn on this speak selection and also turn on speak screen. Okay, now in order to use speak screen effectively, just turn on show controller. Okay, now go back and also turn on the highlighting content. Okay, you can choose words, sentences, or words and sentences. Okay, you can choose background color or underline, whatever it is. Now whenever you will go to any email, okay, and when you will tap on controller,
no speakable content could be found on
sorry,
the screen.
when you will select any text, okay, and then tap on this play icon,
Page. Website builderfacts.com collaboration.
it will
Inbox.
start
From
speaking
March,
up.
July 31st.
If you want to pause, you can use it. If you want to increase the speed, you can use this.
To me, dear team, the geek page. My name is Mark, and I'm the outreach manager at Web.
Okay, so in this way you can use speak screen feature on iPhone effectively. Thanks for watching. Please do like.